What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Trey and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing this challenge called Cringe, and we're going to do it towards like food, some food review people. So the main thing to do is you cannot cringe. So hopefully I don't cringe and I get through this, and hopefully I'll get through this too. Without like dying. So I'm going to get my earphones in and let's get it.
Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. Mmm. Mmm.
Ooh.
Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm.
All up in your face with a crazy blast of meat and cheese deliciousness. And if I can just quote my boy Joey, because I feel my right side going into convulsions right now. Joey, that was for you, baby. I tried, but this is really, really amazing, guys. I'm going in for another bite. Let's do it.
What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. Jersey Mike's goodness. Wish us luck, because that's what I say.
Wish us luck.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. You can hear the crunch, right? Oh, sorry. They were just telling me to turn down the crunch next to me.
I am just in my car by myself, but I am going to be drinking a Fiji water to see if this bottle of water can make my life better. Now let's drink it. Let's drink this vaporwave water. Tastes like water.
I could deep throat this pizza right now.
Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Noah's Food Review. Today we will be reviewing Kraft Miracle Whip.
I've watched this one like 1,000 times.
It's a very strong,
Like
very strong taste. It's hard to digest.
Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel. Boom, this is big. This is Tom Hanks big. This is Tom Hanks Da Vinci Code mullet big. Thing's so damn big we had to strap it to the top of the car just to get it home. Did you know from space there's only two things you can see? The Great Wall of China and the Grand Mac. It's not only that I'm giving you all of this, but we give you the Grand Mac too if you don't just subscribe in the next 5 minutes. Concept of the Grand Mac.
Wouldn't go, you know, I can give her some.
So that's really all we're going to do for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So then, smash that like button, and yeah, I'm going to go try to get all this cringe out of my head. See ya.
I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap it cruel. I roll out